Hello, Chef Pierre. So time for my weekly maintenance on my pocket knife. This is one of my favorite pocket knives. It's like a EDC. I like it. It's lightweight, it works quick, it's fast, opens lefty or righty, ambidextrous, just a lightweight carry. Great knife. First of all, the thing is it's super high quality VG10 steel, and this is made in Japan. I like it. So when it comes time to sharpen it, I like these guide clips. The guide clips give you the perfect angle, and then you use your sharpening stone and you get that angle replicated on both sides. So with that, you're going to get an edge that's sharper than the factory edge. This takes a little bit of water on the whetstone. Work that water in, okay? And it's only going to take me a couple of minutes to get this knife razor sharp. So using the guide clip very quickly. And repeat. Even number of strokes, couple more. Okay, you can see how much metal has been removed, minimal amount. And then I'm going to be moving on to my 8000. Same thing, goes in the holder. Minimal amount of water is good. Work it in. Okay. Repeat. So, I'm all done. The knife is sharp now. I'm just going to dry it off. And you're wondering, how sharp is this knife? Okay, here you go. An envelope. All right, and here you go. 1, 2, 3. Fold them in half. So that would be 2, 4, 5, 6 doubled. There's 12 layers of paper there. It's pretty sharp, a lot sharper than it was. So that's all you need. Get the tools at your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Please like. Cleaning my stone using the little brick. Nice flat level and very, very easy to clean. Just takes a few seconds, keeps it flat, keeps it clean, and gets rid of that unwanted metal. Just like that. Give it a rinse. Okay, good to go again. Oh, our combo Japanese 3000, 8000 comes with a cleaning brick. Comes in quite handy, and it's got a nice rubber grip. You can build a jig if you like, but the cleaning brick comes in quite handy to get your stone cleaned. Like, share, subscribe. Have a great day.